ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Puli Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Ka Sarkar Jila Shan ka Satena ika veterinary hospital ha nyomer apa Shillong andala yo ika mang pisah ling maka PM Divine Project ka bakot kumbandu popular. Uba Alexander Elhek buru menteri bakmi ikatan animal husbandry and veterinary ha ka jinikaran bakla pathai kabor ha ka shitrik unaitung ala char posau ulet ho bagani ka hospital ban sumari ki marat on shinano tang ban chuyo ya ka first installment ka balai pu arklor ban saplat ta ka Sarkar Padang.
The very fast processing for the veterinary hospital of Shillong, Meghalaya. So now it is there to already clear, I think, the state level Empower Committee, SLEC Empower Committee, and the scheme will be proposed from the PM Divine. Once all the formality is completed from the state government, from the planning, and we are going to pursue with the PM Divine Prime Minister Office to get the sanction through for the phase 1, that is for the 32 CR. Land we have got already land. Land is not an issue at all. We have our own land mine of the veterinary department there at 7 mile of Shillong. So land is not an issue at all. So that detail will not be available with me right now. They have completed the DPR, everything. So the one only to get all the formality done from the state government and get sanction from the PMDY. Project total kapoi somewhere around some Rupokure. Tambah mendang ini ada phase 1. Dia nak tu ada yang sampai squeeze in phases mana yang pendek. Like what crore?
Like what?
Saya nang pendek dalam stong lah, ada planning dalam stong, puyu convention center, maksudkan center rumah ta. Ada berdang dia ada stage wah. Kan rumah sos pa ekar tam. Bagaimana kamu kata? Kata kan ni hospital kita yo tang arpo ekar lah, yang apa lah? Yang ada lupa tu. Nih buat pat kejaga ke balong syadu kaliang ke. Mendang ladon saus pa ekar. Tingin kam arpo ekar deh. Tingin pe yang lu gitu. Ya, first veterinary hospital ngidon tang ni apa yuru tambah kilong tang ki kenja diagnostic ni ngidon ni hospital ikut. Undaga clinical hospital ni apa gari kanaru. Tambah kan gini pada game day ki ba Shillong daycare deh. Daycare OPD with daycare. Daycare kata ro baris limited.
Kumke di facilities
Ano kaya juga juga bansumari kimra. Menta bubu dah diberi bayi merat pikso ru bayi kimia ru bayi kini ki rat bafir teriam dah menta sai.
Kenik hospital kena kerja
All animals. We get more inspiration and more advantage to work for the people. So this is like like a very good inspiration for us. So this is like they really inspiring us to work more better for the betterment of the state, betterment of the people, and the betterment of the nations.